Hey guys, what's up? It's your girl Sasha E. Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I am going to be showing you guys how I got this super cute half up half down crochet style. Yes y'all, we have another crochet winner. The hair that I use for today's tutorial is from Trendy Tresses. This is their Bountiful Curls, you guys, and I'm so in love with these curls. They are so beautiful. It is 24 inches long, you guys, and it is in the number 2 because that is what matches my hair perfectly. I use 3 packs of hair for this style, you guys, so nothing more, nothing less. I use a pack and a half for the back, and then I also use a pack and a half for the ponytail up top. So if you guys are interested in seeing how I got this look, let's jump right into it. So I've already prepped my hair, you guys. I am doing a half up, half down. So I already have this section of my hair parted off. This is where the ponytail is gonna be, or the crochet ponytail is gonna be. And then this back section is where I'm gonna braid it down and add the crochet hair. So just to give you guys a reference, this is how my hair looks right now. So I'm just gonna get started, you guys, with the braiding. I'm just gonna be doing pretty much straight backs, so from the middle of my hair all the way back. I'm not doing any fancy braiding style, as you guys will see. This is supposed to be a quick, simple, and easy type of do. This is for if you're on the go, you only got like 30 minutes to get your hair done and you wanna do it really quick, like this is the style for you. So let's get into it. So now I'm going to take this braid and I'm going to attach it to this one. So I'm going to take this and I'm going to basically crochet it through the braids. You can sew it as well, or you can use bobby pins. It's up to you. Alright guys, so I am about to work on my ponytail. So I have my Eco Styler gel here, my argan oil. You guys know I love this stuff. So I'm just gonna do a simple ponytail, y'all. I'm gonna take the gel, get that brush, and just brush it out, y'all, and put it in the ponytail. Whew. I tried to take off some edges because I want to have like super nice edges for this, but you know, we'll see. So this is my hair, you guys. What I'm going to do is I'm actually going to tie it down because I want this to completely set so that it's really nice and sleek. Generally, if like, say for instance, I add gel and things like that to my hair and I don't let it set, it gets like kind of curly. It starts to curl up and it gets kind of fuzzy. So we don't want that. I don't want that. So I'm going to tie this down until it is completely dry. And then I will start with the crochet process. Alright y'all, so it's been a while. Y'all, I done went and took a whole nap, okay? So my hair is nice and set. You guys can see it's dry. So now I'm gonna get started with the crochet process. But before I get started, you guys, I'm actually gonna be oiling my scalp. So I'm going to be using this DIY rosemary mint oil that I made. I was trying to make a dupe for the Mild Organics rosemary and mint oil. So I'm gonna apply this to the braids in the back. I also like that this hair is super easy to separate. As you can see, when it separates, it still looks really, really good. It's not super frizzy or anything like that, and it did not get tangled. So that's another plus. So I originally said that I was splitting these in 2, but I think I'm gonna split them in 4 instead. Alright guys, so I am all done with the back. I only use a pack and like 3/4 of another pack of hair, so under 2 packs to do the back. So now I'm gonna work on my ponytail, you guys. One more pack of the Trendy Tresses Bountiful Curls hair. This is in 24 inches, of course. And we're about to make our ponytail. And then I'm gonna take the scrunchie. I'm gonna sit the hair on top. You guys can see that? Just gonna pull it through. Y'all see that? And tighten it, right? So now I have like an anchor for my ponytail. Make sure we have some body. I love this hair, you guys. It is so soft, like, so I'm gonna put this down for later. And then I'm gonna crochet some of this hair on my actual hair.
Take it away, feeling too good to me. Chilling all day, all in your space is where I wanna be. Here in this room, what did you do? I just can't get enough. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been hanging by myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to work on you. Yeah, you always make me feel like home. Yeah, you never leave my thoughts alone. Yeah, you're the reason I'm going out of my mind. I just can't stop thinking about you. All that I crave when you're away, nights are sleepless. Do we need space? Yeah, maybe a break. Boy, you're my weakness. Give and we take, the love that we make, it's my favorite drug. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you.
Alright guys, so I am back and I am almost done. So all I have left to do now is my edges. I was looking for some like gold string to put right here at like the base of the ponytail, but I couldn't find it. So we're just gonna have to do that another time. But we're gonna do my edges, and I'm going in with the Eben 24-hour edge tamer. This is like my favorite edge control right now. It's literally almost done, as you guys can see. So I'm going in with this. And I'm just gonna get my edges done. I'm about to do my edges. Alright guys, so I am back and I wanted to show you guys the final results of my hair. You guys, I know I say this every video, but I am so in love. Like, I feel like this is exactly what I was looking for, and I was able to accomplish it using Trendy Tresses crochet hair. I absolutely love it, you guys. This will last me quite some time, y'all. It's soft, it's long, okay? And it's a lot of hair, y'all. It's like super full. Let me put it to the front so y'all can see. Y'all are gonna be like, whoa, Sash. So it's a lot of hair. So if you don't want to use 3 packs of hair, you don't have to. You can spread it out for sure. But I definitely do like the fullness of it. I do think it's really, really nice. Comment down below and let me know what your thoughts are. Also, I will have all the information on this hair in my description box. So definitely click that link if you guys are interested in getting this hair. As always, I love you guys, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.
I just can't stop thinking about you. I just can't stop thinking about you.